Good morning, it's the 24th of March 2018 and after last week's snow we're here again for another crack at the Wicker Man. This is Coastersaurus.
Hey, hey, find me no love.
Good morning. Yes, after the snow last week, we're back again at Alton Towers, and where else would we be? We're standing in the queue for Wicker Man. Yeah, we've run for the queue from gate, and we're still in the extension queue.
Come, my friends, come! Behold, the Wicker Man!
My gosh, I'm so very brave! Welcome, chosen one!
You shall not pass. The queue is open. Here we go. I've been saying all year that this is the one that I'm really excited to get on, and from what we've been hearing, from reports that we've had, I don't think we're going to be disappointed. Really hyped up for this.
We come on! We come on! We come on! We come on!
Oh my god, that is absolutely amazing. That thing is absolutely stunning. What an incredible coaster. The airtime on the back, I wasn't prepared for. I know I've been saying for the last year and a bit that I've been really looking forward to this, and I was sure it was going to be good, but I wasn't quite prepared for quite how good. It's really very, very good coaster, and you need to get to Towers and ride it. Peter, how was that? Do you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Is that your favourite coaster now?
Yeah.
Aha! Just had a ride on the back row, and I'm completely blown away. It's not very often that I'm speechless, but today it's stunning. It's absolutely incredible. Well, Wicker Man's gone down, so we're not going to be going round again on that just yet. We're going to have a look and see what other rides we can get on. So at the moment we're heading through Katanga Canyon, and I think we're going to try and get ourselves on the mine train. Yeah, it looks like the rapids still don't have the waterfalls running, which is a real shame. I was hoping that might have been back this year, but no, disappointed again. Great ride on the mine train there. Bit of a squash when you've got two adults in there, but it really is good fun. Do like a good ride on the mine train. And it's nice to see it not on an enormous queue. It's only a 10-minute queue this morning, probably because everybody's waiting for Wicker Man. Right, next up, it's time to have a look at the improvements to Duel. Improvements to Duel. We've got new audio, new theme tune, which gives it ride a whole new feel. It's much darker and creepier than it used to be, and the lighting's improved as well, so it looks better too. There's also, in the queue line part of it, there's some new moving artwork pictures which just add to the overall experience. So what do you think about the new improvements to Duel then?
Awesome, but I didn't like see that brand new picture in it.
You don't like the pictures, do you? Are they a bit creepy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Come on, lads! Here we go!
Right, just experienced Wicker Man on the front this time, and it's a very different beast. Not quite as fast as it is on the back, but still massive chunks of airtime. Really, really great. So it rides brilliantly on the front and brilliantly on the back. I'm going again. Right, another great ride on Wicker Man just there. I think I do now have a new favourite UK coaster. It's brilliant, it's so good. Anyway, while everybody is queuing for Wicker Man, because the queue is enormous. There's no two ways about it, it's huge. We're taking advantage of a relatively quiet rest of the park, so I'm going to go and get on 13, which at the moment is supposed to have a 15-minute queue. I don't think I've ever seen 13 on a 15-minute queue, so off we go. On Wicker Man. Oh my god, that was crazy. Absolutely amazing. Brilliant. Absolutely love it. Absolutely cracking day at Towers today, and some stunning rides on Wicker Man. Really very impressed with that coaster, and the best part about it, we get to do it all again tomorrow. See you in the morning. Here we go. Not quite 0 minutes, but this looks incredible. Just in the queue line. It really does. Morning. We're back again. Yeah, where else we're going to be? We're back in the Wicker Man queue. It's about 11:30 and the ride has just opened. Can't wait to get back on. Morning, Chris.
I'm buzzing, mate. I'm buzzing. I'm getting my camera ready because this is the most photogenic coaster in the UK. I think, anyway. So, I'm looking forward to getting on this.
Initial impressions?
No words, mate.
What are you rating, Josh?
I can't wait. I'm actually buzzing.
Unfortunately, Wicker Man's still suffering from technical issues and we've just had to be evacuated from it. That was an interesting experience, but Chris has had to run off because he's desperate for a wee. So Jack, how was that then?
Yes, first evac.
Yeah, he got evacuated from it as well.
From the by the maintenance shed.
Yeah.
So yeah, but still good though.
How was that?
Unbelievable. Fantastic. What a ride.
Good, isn't it? And an evac cred.
And an evac, yeah. First time and an evac.
Double it.
Yeah, double it, double whammy.
How was that then?
It's the single most worst and best experience of my life. I'll tell you what, 6 hours without having a wee is not great, man.
How was the ride though?
Really good, man, really good. I mean, overall, the overall experience is good, really complete. It's a solid 9 out of 10 coaster, I think.
icon nemesis, cracking ride there on the back row. Really, really good. It's a shame that it's only running one train this year, but I'm sure we'll be getting back on that plenty before the end of the season. Well, we've already been chosen, so now it's time to get corrected. And we're going to jump on the Smiler. Okay, that wasn't the worst ride I've had on Smiler. That wasn't too bad at all. Still not a big fan, but that wasn't too bad this time. Did you have a good ride on Enterprise, Peter?
Yes.
Was it good?
Yes.
You like that, don't you?
Yeah.
I'm not sure Mummy likes it as much. You're right, dear.
No. I feel so dizzy.
Oh dear. Well, we just had a few more rides on the coasters. Got on Oblivion, got on the Smiler. Tina and Peter have been on Enterprise. I think it might be time to try Wicker again. And another great ride on Wicker Man to finish off the day. That's it from us today. We're on our way home, and so until next time, good night. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.